Hey everybody, I have a super quick card to share with you. I did want to say really quickly that I do apologize for not uploading as consistently as I would like this last month. I have been taking a step back and spending time with my kids and just doing projects around the house, things like that. If you want to follow me on my personal Instagram, it is just Tiffany_Solorio on Instagram. And I share a lot of my personal life on there, I guess. My kids and what I'm up to. Meals that I cook and all that kind of thing. But if that's not your thing and you want to follow me on my crafty Instagram, it is Tiffany_Solorio_creates. And I would love to see you guys over there. All right. So I am starting off the card with some Neenah 110 cardstock, and I am going to blend out a little bit of this Distress Oxide Hickory Smoke ink with a makeup brush, which I absolutely love. I know I say that every single time, but I really do love how effortlessly these allow you to add ink to the cardstock. I do think that the cardstock has a bit of a role to play as well. The Neenah 110 cardstock is very smooth and it helps get a really seamless blend. All right, so I am going to be using the Floral Shadow Die and the washi tape, which I had already had these on hand. I cut out a bunch previously, like a couple months back when I first got the die. But what I did was I took the washi tape, added it to some white cardstock, and then I just ran a bunch through the my die cut machine, and now I'm going to use them to create a super simple card. All right, you saw me cut down the card panel there to 4 by 5 1/4 so that it fits nicely on top of this fog cardstock. And now I am going to add some white splatters in Picket Fence. I love adding white splatters, as you guys know. And I am going to now adhere the die cuts to the card base here. And I'm using the Nuvo Deluxe Adhesive, I think it's called. And I kind of play around a little bit with placement, but as you could see, this took no time at all. Seriously, when I filmed this, the time was 22 minutes in total from start to finish, and I even cut out a bunch of things that I ended up not using on the card. So this card probably seriously could take like 10 minutes or less. So really simple card. All right, so I am taking a stamp set from Altenew. It is the Dotted Blooms stamp set. This sentiment says, "Sending you my love." I think this is a nice card to have on hand. Just send someone a nice little note. And I am going to finish the card with some Nuvo drops. And oh, I forgot to mention, I stamped in VersaFine ONYX black ink. Sorry, I had to look real quick. And that is going to complete the card. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know this was a super quick card, but I hope you guys find me on Instagram. And here is a couple more videos you might enjoy. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also share it on social media, and also leave me a comment down below just saying hi. I love reading your comments, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.